Hello, this is John with Anthem Business Solutions, and today we're going to go over how to use custom payments. So when you're ready to close the ticket and it needs to be closed to a custom payment or a custom tender, you're going to go to the checkout screen here, enter the guest info if needed, and down here you'll see a strange button. It's not always going to be called Anthem. That's just what I named it when I was adding a custom tender. This may be called something else. It just depends on the location and what kind of custom tender you need. But you're going to select the custom tender, and it may or may not ask for a reference. So I'll just put test on here for this. And then it's going to print out your receipt. Now, if your custom tender is set up to ask for a tip line, then that may either come up on your screen or your customer display, or it may come up on your receipt, depending again on your configuration. If it's on your receipt and you need to go back and add the tip to the custom tender, you need to go to search, and then you need to find the custom tender. And then once you have the ticket with the custom tender up, you select the custom tender here, and then you proceed to add the tip by entering in the amount of the tip and then hitting the tip button. And you'll notice here it immediately adds the tip for $2, and that's how you add it. It will leave that screen pretty quick and come back to here. That is completely normal, but that is all there is to it. Thanks for watching. Want to stay up to date on the latest tips and tricks? Don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon.